Do you want to cook pizza?
Give me something, something good.
This is today an unboxing of this baby here, the Gozney Roccbox, kind of mini pizza oven, gas fired. You can also fire wood, but I've hooked it up to gas because it's quicker, easier, and cleaner. I'll show you the unboxing. I'll show you some kind of small weak spots on it, and I'll show you how I cooked my first pizza on it and the result of that. But before we get going with the unboxing, as always, please click the subscribe button, click the little bell icon to get notifications when new content comes online. But now it's time to unbox this baby. So imagine it packed again. So this is the baby we're unboxing today, the Roccbox, to make really nice pizzas in. I mean, I have a charcoal grill that I usually make my pizza in, but it doesn't get hot enough. And this one gets up to 500 degrees. So let's see what's in here. It's our gas burner. Two colors, there's a gray and a green one. I went for the gray one. Some recipes. Basically just some explanation how the Roccbox work. Pizza shovel. And something to go with your pizza, or something to drink while you make the pizza. It's a beer can opener, beer bottle opener. So let's lift this up. It's a nice kind of rubbery texture to it. With a carrying belt. I think it weighs around probably, I don't know, you can look it up, but I think it should be around 20 kilos. Some warnings. Basically that you shouldn't use it indoors. Well, I guess that's pretty clear. Now, let's get the legs out. It's a double fold. And at the same time we can put on the gas burner that goes here. The user manual. So I guess this is just a kind of bayonet connector. Let's try it so that we get the knob out. So that's it. There we go. That's our Roccbox. Now we have to wait a couple of days because I'm not ready with the dough so that we can try it out for the first time. But I'll cut to that now. So I realized something when I was unpacking it, and that's that there's a little chip there in the stone board. I also wanted to show you this. It's one of the nails that's kind of holding the rim of the grill. As you can see, it's not really, I would say quality control is not great. Now it's time to burn it in. Get our gas going there. And then we light up by pressing and turning. And we'll get our stopwatch started to see how long it takes to get up to temperature. As you can see, we're starting from 0. This is the first time I have it on. I want to turn it on once to get it up to 500 degrees to kind of burn out all impurities that might be in there from the delivery. So as you can see now, we reached the perfect cooking temperature for our pizza, 400 degrees. And it took us almost 39 minutes. Now that could partly be due to that it's February, so the temperatures outside are, it's not that cold today, it's probably 5 degrees centigrade plus. Or it could be because it's the first time. I'll let it go up to 500 now to burn off any impurities inside the grill. And then I'll turn it off and then we'll cook the first pizza tonight. So it's time to try it out for the first time. The Roccbox. I put it on full blast to get it up to 400 and then turn it down to the lowest setting, and that keeps now the temperature at 400 pretty steadily since the last 5 minutes. But now it's time to put it in. In she goes. 20 seconds and then we turn. As you can see, I need to practice my turning a bit. I think the easiest at the beginning is actually to take the whole pizza out and turn it on the shovel. That was a full turn. And now we'll do a quarter turn. This time we'll take it out. And now it goes quite quickly. Another quarter turn. See already the nice spotting. So this is what the first one looks like. Obviously, the more I practice this, the better they will get, but I think it's a pretty good job for a first pizza. And I'm very happy on how it works. So the summary of the Gozney Roccbox. I prefer it to making it on the charcoal Weber. I can get the heat up more so that the pizza cooks quicker. And the comparison is the Weber, it almost is a bit more bready, and here it's more pizza. I don't know if my distinguishment comes across, but I for sure prefer this, and it's a lot quicker as well. On the Weber, it takes probably between 5 to 8 minutes to make a pizza. Here it's done in under a minute and a half, and that's a double thumbs up for me. There's some things, it might not be top-notch kind of quality control of it, but it all works. It all cooks well. This thing is protecting a little bit, so you can kind of put your hand like this on it without burning. If you touch this, you will burn yourself for sure. But yeah, it does the job. And for the money, for me, it was, I can look it up and put it here. This is how much I paid for it. And for me, it's money well worth it, because I make pizza maybe 2 to 3 times a month. And I like this heat that this one generates. So thank you for watching. I'm not sure how many of these kind of unboxing and reviews we will make. But if you want to see more of them, and what you want to see, like what should I review in terms of kitchen equipment or whatever, cooking equipment, leave a comment below. But it's for sure, I don't have any other kind of unboxing and reviews planned. But if you stuck with me this long, as always, click the thumbs up, the like button. And if you haven't done so yet, the subscribe button. And until next time, thank you very much. Bye-bye.